Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my tech solution channel. In previous videos, I was telling you about how to create Gmail ID and how to transfer all the Facebook photos to your Google Drive. Today I'm going to teach you about how to do bold in your Facebook page. You all guys know that Facebook does not have its features to make you to bring bold letters in your Facebook page. But if there is a problem, there is always a solution. So today I'm going to give you some solutions to this problem, and I'm going to teach you the techniques that you can do, how you can do bold in your Facebook page. Okay, I know my English language is not so good, but I can give you a very valuable information related Facebook page, and you guys can do just subscribe if you like this video. If you like this video, you just like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that I can grow more and more and more, so that I can give you lots of information related to tech solution. Okay, let's start. In Facebook we can't do bold. If we write something like I need a letters in bold. We can't do, even we do control plus B, we can't do these letters in bold. But there is always an option. The first, I'm going to tell you two options actually. There are two strategies that you can do bold in your Facebook page. First one is like Yetext. I always use this website for making bold in my Facebook page or whatever I like. If you type Yetext in your search bar, and this landing page will come in your PC or mobile phone, and you can see here the box, empty box. If you like anything that you like to make in bold, just type over here like I need a bold letters. Okay, if you say this, like, just go down, go down, go down, go down. There are lots of sentences we don't need, but you can see in down these two sentences, in bold serif and bold sans. These two are in bold, even in italic, or in different letters, but I prefer this bold. And if I need to copy this, just I will press this copy, and I will go back to my Facebook channel, and I will just remove it and just control plus V and paste. Look, boom, it will say in bold letters. You can just say in live. Now, you think that, oh, OMG, like, this is very good, because many people like bold letters in the Facebook page, and it will make lots of easiness in, they are feeling so hard, and you can just use this technique to make it bold, just easy. Now next technique is, the next website is bold text generator. I don't use this website actually, but I will tell you about this as well. The anything that you want to go, that there are lots of websites, but I prefer always the first one that comes in up. This landing page will come if you click the first bottom, button, and you will see here bold text generator, and again you can see the two box. If normal text goes here, and you will get a bold text in another box. So in type here in normal box that I need bold letters. Look how this is so magically, you can get all these letters. You can choose, look at this, there are lots of sentences that you can choose it. Oh my god, this is so good. I was not able to see this, but I just came to know about this. But I prefer always Yetext, and this one is also quite good. You can just copy it, control plus C, and Facebook I will just remove it, and control plus V, boom. Again you can see, you know, like this is a very short video, and I hope that this helps you. Many people are just facing it, like they don't know how to do bold in their Facebook page, and I hope this video just help you guys. Thank you so much. Sorry for my English, and I hope to meet you soon, my Facebook family, or sorry, YouTube family. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you soon. Bye bye.